I tried eToro crypto wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the eToro crypto wallet app for a week, I expected a typical trading companion. But the shocking truth is that eToro's wallet is more of a bridge between traditional finance and crypto than a true decentralized wallet. On day 1, setup was seamless. I logged in using my eToro account, and instantly, I could see my crypto balances synced from my trading portfolio. That integration is powerful, but it also means your funds start within eToro's controlled ecosystem. Day 2, I began transferring crypto. Most people assume eToro's wallet gives you full custody, but here's the twist: you can't send all tokens freely. Some assets must be converted before withdrawal, and transfers can take longer than expected. This design is intentional, aiming to keep users within the eToro trading system. Midweek, I tested the app's built-in conversion feature. It works smoothly for popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The fees were competitive, and the rates were displayed clearly, which was a nice touch. However, unlike decentralized wallets, there is no direct access to DeFi apps or staking options. By day 5, I tried sending crypto to another wallet. It worked, but eToro required verification steps, including two-factor authentication and email confirmation. Excellent for security, but not ideal for quick transfers. After 7 days, I understood what makes this wallet different. The shocking truth: eToro's wallet isn't designed for hardcore crypto users. It's built for investors who want exposure to crypto without the complexity of blockchain management. It's secure, regulated, and beginner-friendly, but it's not truly decentralized. If you're an investor who prefers simplicity and safety over full control, eToro's wallet delivers. But if you want complete ownership and on-chain flexibility, you want to look elsewhere.